Hello student, today we'll discuss about drying agents and few questions from it. It is always as in the entrance examination. Drying agent used for fast drying neutral gas in lab. They have given you 4 options and you have to select one. So here calcium chloride is the answer for it. Now select correct option. Most of this substance used as drying agent. They will give a fluorescent, hydrated substance, anhydrous substance, hygroscopic substance. So we have to select hygroscopic substance. Why? Because they will absorb water immediately. Okay. Now see here, I have written some of the drying agents: anhydrous CaCl2, MgSO4, anhydrous sodium sulfate, anhydrous calcium sulfate. Now among I have given you option 4 among calcium chloride, calcium hydroxide, sulfuric acid and nitric acid, which is or used for to dry air. So here we will select calcium chloride and conc H2SO4. Okay, so remember this, that calcium chloride and conc H2SO4 are used to dry air. Now we will go for the next one. Which chloride is used as drying agent? Just before this we have discussed that calcium chloride is used as drying agent, right? On drying agent used to dry hydrogen gas. So here I have given you 3 options: potassium hydroxide, P4O10 and fused CaCl2. See, I am giving you only correct answer so that you need not to be worried about it. I will remove this first. Okay, now drying agent used for oxygen gas. So which reagents can be used? P4O10, CaCl2 and sulfuric acid. Remember that P4O10 and CaCl2 in most of the cases it is used, and conc H2SO4 is also present somewhere. Now drying agent used to dry HCl gas, conc H2SO4, because both of them are acidic in nature and we have to make HCl dry. Okay, gas, HCl gas, hydrogen chloride gas, we'll say at that moment. So when it is passed through conc H2SO4, water is present in the moisture is absorbed if it is present in the environment. Now DMF, what is DMF? An N-dimethyl formamide is known as DMF. So it is a aprotic solvent. To make it dry, we use barium oxide. It is very typical, only in this case it is used here. Okay, now why conc H2SO4 used to dry HCl gas, but P4O10 and quicklime cannot be used? So see, P4O10 and quicklime both will react with HCl, so they cannot be used. Then they are reacting with the reacting mixture, or to which it has to dry. If it will react with it, how can it will dry? It will form different products. Now HCl can be reacted with P4O10, I told you, and conc H2SO4 also I told you that both of them are acid. So it is conc H2SO4 is used to dry this HCl gas. Okay, now we'll go for this MgSO4 and this. Anhydrous MgSO4, it removes water from the organic solvent. So they will ask which of them can be used to remove water from organic solvent. So MgSO4 here I have written. Why? Because MgSO4 anhydrous MgSO4 they absorb water at room temperature and it will form hydrated salt MgSO4.7H2O. Okay, this is Epsom salt. You learn this because it is also coming hydrated salt. They will give you a list of hydrated salt, and MgSO4.5H2, MgSO4.2H2 like this. But MgSO4.7H2O will be there. That is Epsom salt. Okay, so it will remove MgSO4 will absorb water and form Epsom salt. That is MgSO4.7H2O. It is hydrated salt. I will write on Epsom because it is very, very important. Epsom salt. Right, now at room temperature it is forming this. If the reaction mixture is we have to heat the reaction mixture. At that moment we must remove this hydrated salt, otherwise it will again come back to its original anhydrous condition. Okay, so temperature is must to watch because it is reversible reaction. At room temperature it will go in only in this direction. Okay, but on heating it will go back to also. Otherwise it is not reversible. Means I am saying that at room temperature it is forming this, and if we will heat it, it will come back to this. Okay, now water of crystallization is 7 here. It is chemically bonded to the MgSO4. 7 water molecules are chemically bonded to 1 molecule of MgSO4. Or in terms of mole, 7 moles of water are bonded to 1 mole of MgSO4. Okay, so water of crystallization is 7 here. Now CaCl2, will go for the next question. CaCl2 is strongly hygroscopic in nature, so it will absorb moisture from the air. Remove to dry air, it is best solution, best drying agent it is considered. Now anhydrous air and makes it dry, I told you this. Now we'll discuss about this. LaH and KOH and K2CO3, they are basic drying agent, right? They are basic drying agent, and that is why they will dry basic reagents such as ammonia. You can use ammonia to dry it, because ammonia is also basic in nature. Okay, but basic reagents or drying agents can be removed by this. And for ammonia, which we are using, think about it, calcium oxide, right? Now Na2SO4, CaSO4, MgSO4 dry, they dry acid solution, acidic solution. Why? Because they are neutral drying reagent. So that's all for the today, and God bless you. All the best. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.